Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if now receiving MMS messages on Edge 70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. After click on see all apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time and click on restart. After click on restart, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.